All right, you got your safety on? All right, so when the gun comes up, that's when your safety comes off. Go, 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 go. Good. Is it clear? Look inside your chamber there.
Clear.
Good, good. All right, keep your gun pointed in the safe direction. Still, you can go ahead and put it on safety anyway. Just keep it in the habit of putting it on safety.
That thing gonna kick you in the face.
Huh?
Good job, good job.
No.
Oh, wow.
Right. Now bring 1 foot forward. Now, if I'm your assailant and I'm coming at you, right. Now, don't pull your firearm, but I want you to. Right. See where I'm at? Yeah. So you're shooting right here. You're already shooting right here. So you're stopping your threat here. Okay? Now, with your arm out, this is me. What I like to do is I like to camp right here. So if the person, whatever their height is, I can take this part right here and throw it right into the feet. Because wherever the head goes, the body follows. Right? So watch what I'm doing. So we're here. Say it's you coming at me. And I'm in your neck. See what I'm saying? Or if I'm this way, so wherever the head goes, the body follows. Shoot! Moonwalk. Shoot! Moonwalk. Shoot! Moonwalk. Shoot! Go! Fire! Straight up. Like you're talking to me. It's like you're talking to me. Your head up. Like you talk. Gun works for you. You don't work for the gun. Now, 1 shot. Shoot. Look at it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, somebody learned something. Uh-oh. All right. Look at you getting in the things like, yeah, what? All right. I want you to come real close. I want your left foot forward. All right. And I want you to lean into it. Lean into it. All right. Good. And I can do the same thing. Shoot.
Oh, shit.
Forward. Moonwalk. Moonwalk. Shoot. Moonwalk. Stop right there. Look left. Look, turn around and look left. Look right. He just got back to the field. There we go. Listen to my shoot. Moonwalk. Slide. Shoot. Moonwalk. Slide. Slide. Shoot. Slide. Slide. Now, you done shot this person 3 times. Or this, whatever this thing is. And it's still coming. Empty. Keep going. Good job, good job. Good job. You know what I'm saying? What's up? What happened to that? Out of here. That's what? She said I got him. Denise, how you feel about shooting that pump?
A lot of power. I thought I was gonna fly in the air. A lot of power. Boy, it got a lot of kickback. It hit me.
Yeah, that's
but
what's up.
It's put it like this. You know, once you hit somebody, they ain't getting back up.
That's what I'm talking about. What about you,
They're
Jerry?
gonna take some limbs off. I like it.
How you like it, Jay?
Pretty nice.
Pretty nice?
Yeah.
All right.
I ain't gotta do that to someone one day though, right?
You know? See, we out here handling the handle. That's what we do. You know what I'm saying? All right, K-Day, we out of here.
As a matter of fact, that thing hit me in my handle.
All right, y'all. How y'all feel about the class today?
Excellent class, man.
Class was great, man. Alpha's the best. Number one.
Very knowledgeable, man.
He got guns.
Yo. All right, man. Yo, I appreciate that, man. Definitely, man. We just try to stay humble over here and have fun with it. That's all, man. All right, Mr. Sewell, Pastor Sewell, how you doing today, man? Thank you for coming out with K&A Accessories, man. This is your first time shooting. How did you feel about the course, man?
I love the course. Very, very practical. Straight to the point. I love it. I loved it.
Good, man. I appreciate it, man. I just want to again thank you for coming out, man. K&A Accessories, handle your handle. All right, ladies. So how you enjoy the class?
Enjoyed it.
You enjoyed it?
It was informative. I really enjoyed it. Baby got the job done. Thanks to the instructor.
Instructor A1.